Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video today I'll show you how to upload a file in Google Drive. So let's get started. First I open Google Chrome browser in my computer. This is Google Chrome browser and I open a Gmail account here and I find the Google apps here. This is the Google apps and this is Google Drive. I open Google Drive. This is Google Drive interface and I want to upload a file, so you can upload the file in two ways. This is new, you can click new and file upload here. You can also click my drive and then you can file upload here. I click file upload, then I go to my destination where my file was saved or my file is located. I select the location in my file. I select here in my desktop and this is my file. This is the Excel file here and I open it. Now my file is uploading here and the upload is complete. Now you can see the file upload here. This is the file I upload and now I open this file or preview. First I preview this file. Just take a few minutes. This is my file and you can also open this file in Google Sheets. Though it's a Excel file, so it's open in Google Sheets. And Google Sheets is another apps too in our Google. Now I can change or modify or replace this content here and I can save this in Google Sheet. So viewers, I hope now you can upload a file in Google Drive. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.